Hey you guys, it is me Tiffany, and today I'm going to be unboxing these sunglasses from the company Luenx. Let me get the box right, okay? This is an Amazon company and they have affordable sunglasses, so we're going to see how they look on me. Okay guys, so these are the sunglasses, okay, out of the packaging. They look super nice, super cute. These are men and women glasses, unisex, okay? So they are giving everything. I like the color of them. So they look like this. On the inside, they have the nose cushions, like a nose cushion for the bridge of your nose. Super sleek. I like them. They're stylish. Why my nail got stuck? Okay, yes, super cute. I'm usually not an Aviator girl, but today I'm looking good and I'm feeling good. I like the style of them, and yes, I'm an Aviator girl today, okay? So in the box came the standard, I don't need both sides of the box. In the box came your standard cleaning cloth for the lenses, and as well as a sunglasses bag. It's a soft one, so that was cute and a nice touch. Absolutely love them. Okay, so the glasses are giving, they look great on top of the head as well. I like them, okay? Let me see how they look hanging off right here. They look good sitting on top of my chest, especially with this black tee. And this outfit is cute, okay? So we're going to just show y'all the specs and all the aspects. And yes, we're going to get into the next pair. This is the next pair. I already been inside these glasses, okay? This is what the cloth is looking like outside the packaging. And you got your standard sunglasses case. Okay, let me hurry up and take these out. Oops, I done dropped everything. Okay. So these are cute. These are so me. I like big oversized frames. I absolutely love them. They do have the nose cushion. And of course, I love the gold frame. Okay, so we're going to put them on. Yes, these are giving cute. I love them. Perfect with my outfit I got on right now. Okay, so I'm going to see how they look on top of the forehead. You always got to do the top of the forehead, how they sit on top of that forehead, okay? If you don't need the glasses, this is where the glasses be residing, okay? So we're going to also put them right here. How they look on the chest. They look good and they match my outfit. I'm going to run them back. This is what they looking like. And this is from the company Luenx, okay? Super duper cute. I'm going to put these on, though. I like these. I'm going to put these right here.